Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Adding Yahoo Mail to your Android phone is a simple process, allowing you to access your emails without hassle. You have two main options, and we will cover both. First, let's use your phone's built-in mail application, like the Gmail app, which many Android users already have. Open this app on your device. Next, tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, or your profile picture in the top right. This action will open a side menu. Scroll down within this menu and select Add Another Account. From the list of email providers that appears, choose Yahoo. The system will then ask you to enter your complete Yahoo email address. Type it precisely into the field provided and then tap Next. You will then be prompted to enter your Yahoo account password. Input your password carefully. After entering your password, you might see a Yahoo sign-in page or a request for certain permissions. Follow any on-screen instructions to grant the necessary access for your mail to sync properly. Once successfully authenticated, your Yahoo inbox, sent items, and other folders will populate within your chosen mail app. You can now check your Yahoo emails integrated with your other accounts. Alternatively, for a dedicated experience, you can download the official Yahoo Mail app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for the Yahoo Mail, and install the application. Once installed, open it and simply sign in using your Yahoo email address and password. Both methods effectively bring your Yahoo Mail directly to your Android device.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.